Hi guys, this is Amin from vfxvision.com, and this is my first attempt to create third-person character with its logic inside Unity. In my opinion, Unity is far simpler than the Unreal Engine, but both engines are really good and powerful, but each one is do something. For example, Unreal Engine is better for high-end games, but you can create high-end games inside Unity, and Unity is really good for creating mobile game and exporting to or playing your game on the browsers via WebAssembly, and it's great. So let me show you the WebAssembly version. It is really simple to play. Just double click and you can play your game on browsers. Let me maximize this screen. This example is about creating character logic, creating logic for camera, characters following camera, and about how to shoot with your weapon, and how to change the camera when you, for example, you're near a chest or near a door or anything else, or it's about changing the UI states. And this is it. And I really like Unity to develop games and third-person characters.